Hello everyone, this is Bad Boy Creatives. So today I'm gonna show you my collection of this custom minifigures that I've made last night. So this is from the Mortal Kombat 2021. This one is a custom Sonya Blade. It's mix and match and also custom painted armor. So her head came from a Wanda Maximoff minifigure, as you can see in the back. This bottom part is from a SWAT team minifigure, and her arms came from a random wrestling minifigure. Next one we have the newest character from the movie. It's Cole. So this torso part and the arm part came from a Lord of the Rings minifigure. As you can see the details. It's from the Elves Army. And this hair came from a Tony Stark minifigure, and his bottoms are just a regular black bottoms, and I just put some fire on his hands. Next one we have Kung Lao. So this is more on mix and match. This torso came from a Ninjago minifigure, and I forgot who owns this both arms. And also this bottom part is also came from a Ninjago minifigure, and obviously his hat. This one is Jax. So his head came from a T'Challa minifigure, and both arms came from a Silver Surfer minifigure. His torso is just a plain brown torso, and this part came from a SWAT team minifigure also. And this bottom part, I think, as I can remember, came from a Star-Lord minifigure. And this is Liu Kang. This head is just customized. We just put a red bandana, the original Liu Kang minifigure. And the torso part came from a Rambo minifigure, and I just gave him a piece of fire. This one, Scorpion, from the movie also. So I made this minifigure last weekend. So this head part came from a Hawkeye minifigure. The torso part came from a medieval knight minifigure. I'm sorry. And the arms came from a Hawkeye minifigure also. And my custom samurai, or custom katana. And this is his custom weapon, and I just added some chains. So that's it. Up next we have Raiden. His hat came from a Ninjago minifigure. And this cape came from a Previsla minifigure. And the torso part came from a samurai minifigure. And his arms came from one of the Knights of Ren. And the bottom part is also from a samurai minifigure. And this lightning came from a Lord Sidious minifigure. And this staff also came from a one of the Knights of Ren minifigure. So this one is Kano. His hair is just a regular yellow hair. This head part came from a Thor minifigure, the version from the Infinity War. I just put some red dot on his eye part, so it will look like the original Kano's face from the movie. And this arm came from a Jinx minifigure from League of Legends. And the torso part came from a Expendables minifigure. And the bottom part came from a Star-Lord minifigure. Just put some blood on his knife so it will look cooler. So that's it. Up next, this one is Rico from the movie also. But I know the armor, the color of the armor is different because I don't want to color it. This armor came from a custom Thanos minifigure. Also these guards or braces. And also this shin guard part. This head came from a Booker T minifigure. Also the arms and the torso part. And this hammer is just a custom hammer that I made. So that's it. Oops. So this one is a custom Cabal minifigure or Cabal. So I'm not so satisfied with this looks of Cabal. This helmet came from a Death Trooper minifigure, and this bottom part came from a Darth Maul minifigure. And this part, this weapon came from one of the Knights of Ren, and the other weapon came from a orc from the Lord of the Rings. And the torso part, this armor came from a SWAT minifigure. This pole gun came from a Star Wars minifigure from the First Order. And both arms came from a orc also from the Lord of the Rings. And then I made some paint on his armor and also in his helmet. Next one we have Melina. This hair is a braided hair. The arms came from a Hela minifigure. The torso part and the bottom part came from a Ronda Rousey minifigure from the Expendable. and I just gave her a regular knives, and I painted it with silver pen paint. And the head part came from a Jinx minifigure from League of Legends also. And this is the Bihan or SubZero minifigure. I painted his hands with black pen paint, also his mask. And this armor came from a Ninjago minifigure. This from the Green Ghost. I don't know what they used to call them. And his arm, this part of his arm came from a Iceman minifigure, and this torso and bottom part came from the one of the Knights of Ren minifigure. His head came from a SWAT minifigure. So this is a Cyrax minifigure. It's just a custom minifigure that I made last time. So as you can see, the braids, and this is just a regular plain Iron Man helmet that I bought online. And this is this armor came from a SWAT minifigure. I just painted it with yellow pen paint. Also his arm is just a regular black arms, just custom painted. And this bottom part came from a Yellow Lantern minifigure. So there you go, so you can see more of his braids. So I just stick it with some blue tacks. And finally we have Chong Chong. So this armor came from a Thanos minifigure from Infinity War, and the torso and bottom part came from a elf minifigure from Lord of the Rings, and the arms came from a Mysterio minifigure. And I just put a cape. His head came from one of the clone troopers. So that's it. It's just a quick glance for my Mortal Kombat minifigures that I've made. So almost all of them are just mix and match and customs. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, so it will help me make more videos like this. And also watch my previous films about Star Wars, Marvel, and also my brick review. So thank you once again, and this is Bad Brick Creatives. So stay safe and goodbye.